alaikum fellow hostel enthusiasts. It's Saima and today I'm bringing you the ultimate guide to transforming your hostel space into a cozy, stylish haven. Though it can't be as comfortable as your home, but we can try to make it as cozy as possible. As I told you, this will be a two-part video. Here I am back with the second part of the video. After spending a blissful 1.5 years in a hostel, I have curated a list that covers everything from the basics to those personal touches that make your space uniquely yours. Before moving forward, if you like my videos and want to watch more videos like this in future, then subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and share my videos with your friends who might find my videos useful. Now, let's dive into our video. We ended the first part of our video with clothes and accessories. Now let's start the second part with the next most essential item, that is food and snacks. A small pantry with non-perishable snacks. If there's no facility to keep a pantry, then keep the food items in a container. Fueling your study sessions requires a stocked pantry. You will need your favorite snacks and stylish reusable containers for those homemade treats. A mini fridge can be a game changer for storing fresh snacks or leftover. In my hostel, it's not allowed to keep a fridge, that's why we can't keep it. So you have to check with your hostel before purchasing a mini fridge. A well-fed brain is a happy brain, so your snacking habit is very important. You can keep dry fruits with you so that you get the nutrition that your body needs. Also, the first time when you leave home, try to keep some snacks that can be particularly found in your state only, so that when you are in the hostel, you don't have to feel bad missing your home state and your favorite snacks. I always carry some snacks, some homemade snacks, or the snacks that can be specifically found in my country while returning to the hostel from vacation. Always try to have fruits as they will provide you with proper nutrition for your health and your survival. Personal hygiene. A small pair of scissors, nail cutter, cotton buds, a small knife, cotton, liquid hand wash, mosquito repellent. These are truly very necessary items. Also, keep a dustbin in your room so that you don't litter inside the room. You can also keep a broom, a mop, and 2 pairs of flip-flops. One to wear inside the room, and the other one to use when you go to the washroom. Laundry items. Washing powder, fabric softener, a set of clips for hanging your clothes. Most of the hostels have washing machines, so fabric softener can come very handy. Makeup products. A chic makeup station with a variety of makeup products and a jewelry organizer. For the makeup enthusiasts, create a chic makeup station. A variety of makeup products and a jewelry organizer for those finishing touches. You will need makeup items whenever there is a function or fest inside the campus. During first year, you will receive freshers party. During second year, you will have to throw freshers party to the juniors. Then you might have tech fests and cultural fests and so on. So all these makeup products and jewelry items will add to your appearance during these fests. Also, if any girl prefers any specific brand, then they should be mindful about purchasing those beforehand and carrying those items to their hostel. Study table and the surrounding. Your study area should inspire productivity. A small study table, which is usually provided by the hostel with ambient lighting, a comfortable chair, personalized decorations, and a cozy reading nook. Maybe add some fairy lights for that magical touch. Make it a space where ideas flow effortlessly. If your hostel does not provide study table, then you can purchase a small multi-purpose study table. You can find these tables online, or you can also try to look for it in the stationery shops or the departmental shops of your college campus. Add some personal touch to your hostel room. A showcase of posters, wall art, and other decorative items. Don't forget the power of decor. Posters, wall art, and decorative items that reflect your personality can turn a bland space into a vibrant sanctuary. Add a personal touch with plants, wall decors, or unique knickknacks that make you smile. Some of my friends have decorated their rooms with their own paintings. Some have decorated their walls with their small paintings, and some have decorated their mirrors, and some have used fairy lights in their rooms. Stationery items. You can bring some pens, pencils, sticky notes, glue or gum, stapler, safety pin, etc. items with you. But as you are going to live in a hostel, I am sure you can find all these inside the college campus. But you should bring at least one piece of all these items with you in case you need to use a pen on the first day urgently before getting a chance to buy all these. At that point of time, it will be really helpful for you if you have already brought all these items with you while packing your stuff. There are also some other items that you must bring with you. Those are liquid dishwash, a bucket, and a mug. You should bring some comfortable clothes separately to wear inside the hostel rooms. If you are someone who wears spectacles, then you should be careful about bringing a pair of spare spectacles with you. If you play some musical instruments like guitar, flute, harmonica, you can also bring those along with you so that you can pass your leisure happily by playing these beautiful instruments. You can bring a photo frame along with you in which you can keep the picture of your family. If you have the habit of reading, then you can bring a few books or novels of your choice along with you. This hostel room will be your room for the next 4 years or 5 years for the medical students. So be sure to be comfortable in your room and bring all the important items along with you. Pack carefully. And also if you miss something, nowadays there are many ways to buy them. You can buy them online. You can try to look for them inside your college campus. So don't worry. Keep calm and start your packing. If you forget anything, then don't panic, you can always buy it. And there you have it, your complete guide to a cozy and stylish hostel space. Remember, it's not just about the essentials. It's about creating a space that reflects you. What are your must-have items for a perfect hostel setup? You can share them with me in the comments. You can share this video with your friends so that they can also be benefited from this video. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more contents like this. Until next time, happy nesting, and enjoy your hostel living in style. So, goodbye. I will meet you all in my next video.